Alright, hello from a nudist beach spot in Stockholm, more specifically in Nacka municipality. This is PGs Udde, this nice little rocky island here in the Nacka Nature Reserve on the beautiful lake of Källtorp. It's an amazing spot indeed, and I have visited this spot last year, but I was then on the other side of this tiny rocky peninsula that is overlooking in the Södra Källtorpsbadet, the Källtorpsbadet on the other side, but also on the north side. It's overlooking quite nice and well. And it is 14th of May 2024, a wonderful sunny day with 21 degrees Celsius in the air. And check this out, the highest temperature has been measured in the water in Stockholm this year. 13 degrees Celsius is in the lake of Källtorp, so that is fantastic. And I'm here on my beach adventure with my Scott bicycle, and it took me around 9 kilometers, so 25 minutes or something, to reach this beautiful natural location that is also a nudist beach, of course. So yes, the beach adventures are well underway after my Malmo trip. I arrived yesterday, and you already have seen the video from the beautiful flattened lake. So now I'm again on this another rocky beach, but this is an actual nudist beach spot, and it is mentioned like that on the map on the Swedish Nudist Association. So Svenska Naturistbadföreningen. Alright, so popular, very nice destination that's located in Nacka. That's part of Stockholm region, obviously, and it's amazing. Cool, you can enjoy here as much as you like in the beautiful nature, especially on the sunny days like this when we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air. So it's super amazing and super nice. I really feel blessed that I have access to so many beautiful beaches in Stockholm that I can visit every single day. So let's then get rolling and enjoy this beautiful sunny day in Stockholm with a nice swim in the Källtorpssjön, Källtorp Lake. So with these rocky beaches, it's a bit hard to get in, but I like the challenges always. So for me, it's not a big problem at all. But you should be very careful when stepping into this, because the stones might be slippery and so on and so forth. So you don't want to get injured. But look at that water. It's super amazing indeed. Beautiful nature. And there is also two other nudist beaches on that side of the lake. I have shown you already one that's at the very end of the beach, but there is also one in the middle over there. So it's super amazing. Alright, this is going to be super challenging, believe me, but I will do my best not to fall. Okay. Yes. And this is very deep over here after this rock, so let's go together in 3, 2, 1. I can actually stand here, and it's amazing. It's so nice that I really want to take a longer swim in this beautiful, beautiful nature that's all around me. Look at this. It's beautiful. Amazing. Yes, this is, as I mentioned already, PGs Udde, or in English PGs Udde. Udde means, I think, peninsula. like an island that has actually access to land. So yes, 14th of May in the books, and I can't actually stay here. So yes, thank you so much for watching this episode from this nudist beach in Nacka, in Stockholm region, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Grace.